Hi, blessings from the Garden Fam. Well, today we're going to talk about some of the most popular green vegetables eaten in Jamaica and the dishes we use them in. The first one that we're going to look at is the callaloo. It has long stalks and big broad leaves and is typically found in the markets, vendors on the street side, and many people even grow their own in their backyards. Similar to spinach, when prepared because of its high water content, it does shrink significantly. Callaloo is usually cooked and used in many Jamaican dishes such as pepper pot soup, callaloo rice, callaloo and saltfish, and so much more. The next vegetable is the pak choy. Do you know what pak choy is? Well, if you are a lover of Chinese dishes, especially their stir fry, you have definitely had pak choy at some point. It is also called bok choy or Chinese cabbage. This vegetable has thick, wide, crunchy stems with broad green leaves. As with callaloo, it is normally found in the markets, but is commonly grown in backyards of those living in rural communities. Pak choy is normally stir-fried with herbs and spices or combined with other vegetables like callaloo and cabbage. Now for the cabbage. Cabbage is not unique to Jamaica, but it is the ways that it is prepared that make it stand out. Jamaican dishes are all about that extra kick of heat and combination of herbs and spices, and our vegetables are treated the same. The Jamaican steamed cabbage is a favorite of many. It is normally prepared with a variety of peppers, onion, carrots, scallion, and thyme, making it a very visually appealing and tasty dish. Cabbage is also used to make our Jamaican coleslaw paired with saltfish or any fried meat such as chicken. Okra. The okra, a popular Jamaican vegetable, is supposed to have been brought to the island by West African slaves. This green-fingered vegetable belongs to the pepper family and is longer than a jalapeno pepper, but lacks the heat and spice of regular pepper. It also contains a slimy interior that, when cooked for brief periods, reduces the slime factor. It shrinks down a lot when cooked for a long time, such as in soups or stews. Okra is commonly used in soups and is frequently served with fish. Okra is commonly found in Jamaican ital dishes, which is popular among Rastafarians who maintain a strict vegetarian diet. It is also used in the popular strong back drink for men. And then we have the chocho. The Jamaican chocho, also known as chayote, is a strange member of the melon, gourd, squash, and pumpkin family. This Jamaican chocho is a fruit, not a vegetable, but is commonly prepared as most vegetables are, whether sauteed or boiled. Southern Mexico and Jamaica are supposed to be the origins of the Jamaican chocho. The Jamaican chocho, unlike its many seeded siblings, only has one seed. Typically, the fruit is planted entire and on its side. From the bottom of the fruit, the Jamaican chocho seed sends out its roots and stem. The vines are trained to be overhead support, which allows the fruit to hang and be harvested easily from below. It's great in soups, stews, and steamed veggie meals. These are the most common green vegetables used in Jamaica, and they are all staples in our Jamaican cuisine.